Could a single forgotten moment unlock a star's enduring legend and reshape how we understand NFL history for generations? In the rain-soaked 1958 NFL Championship, Johnny Unitas engineered a miraculous late drive that turned wide receivers into household names. That comeback bridged the gap between rugged ground games and the modern aerial attack, igniting the league's first true national hype. Beyond the statistics, coaches learned tempo, play design, and improvisation as cameras captured every gritty snap and sideline exchange. This overlooked chapter shows how strategy, spectacle, and perseverance coalesced into a sport audiences would adore for decades.